Right now, as you are watching this, there are millions of people who feel completely stuck in their lives. They wake up every morning feeling like they are just going through the motions, wondering if this is all there is. But here's what they don't realize, and what I am about to show you: your entire life can change in just 10 practical steps. I am not talking about some magical overnight transformation or unrealistic promises. I am talking about real, actionable steps that have been proven to work by science and implemented by thousands of people who have completely turned their lives around. In next few minutes, I am going to give you the exact blueprint that can transform your health, relationship, career, mindset, and overall happiness. They aren't just feel good tips. These are strategic life changing that compound over time. So, if you are ready to stop being a passenger in your own life and start becoming the person you have always wanted to be, keep watching. The first step to fixing your life is that hardest one, but it's absolutely critical. You need to talk complete ownership of where you are right now. No more blaming your parents, your circumstances, your boss, or your bad luck. The moment you take full responsibility for your current situation is the moment you gain the power to change it. Look, I get it. Maybe you have had a rough childhood. Maybe you have faced real challenges. Those things are valid, but they aren't not excuses for staying stuck. Research shows that people who take personal responsibility for their outcome are significantly more likely to achieve their goal and experience life satisfaction. Start asking yourself, what role did I play in creating this situation? And what can I do differently moving forward? This shift from victim to owner is the foundation everything else is built on. You can't fix your life if you don't know what fixed look like. Most people have vague wishes like I want to be happy or I want to be successful. That's not good enough. You need specific measurable goal. Use the SMART framework. Specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time bound. Instead of I want to get healthy, try I will lose 20 pounds in the next 4 months by exercising 4 times per week and following a structured meal plan. See the difference. Write down your top 3 goals in these areas: health, relationship, career, or personal growth. Make them so specific that a stranger could understand exactly what success look like for you. Your life is essentially the sum of your daily habits. If you want to change your life, you need to change your habits. Research shows that it takes approximately 66 days to form a new habit. But the key is starting small. Don't try to change everything at once. That's a recipe for failure. Pick one keystone habit that will have a ripple effect on other areas of your life. For example, Establishing a morning routine can improve your productivity, energy level, and mental clarity throughout the day. Use habit stacking. Attack a new habit to an existing one. If you already brush your teeth every morning, add 5 minutes of gratitude journaling right after. The existing habit becomes the trigger for the new one. You cannot build a great life on a foundation of poor health. Your physical state directly impact your mental state, energy level, and ability to pursue your goal. Focus on this four pillar. First, sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours consistently. Your brain literally repairs itself during sleep. Second, nutrition. Eat whole food, stay hydrated, and limit processed junk. Third, exercise. Even 20 minutes of walk daily can dramatically improve your health. Fourth, stress management. Chronic stress destroy everything. Don't go more than 3 days without some form of physical activity. Build strength, not just skinniness. Get regular checkup and don't ignore your mental health. Mental resilience is your ability to bounce back from setbacks and keep moving forward. It's not about being tough all the time, it's about being adaptable and persistent. Develop a growth mindset. Instead of thinking, I am not good at this, thinking, I am not good at this yet. Every failure become a learning opportunity. Every setback become data for your next attempt. Practice mindfulness and meditation. Even 10 minutes daily can rewire your brain for better emotional regulation. Challenge negative thought pattern. Most of the stories we tell ourselves aren't even true. Build your distress tolerance. Life will throw curveballs at you. The people who succeed aren't the one who avoid problems. They are the one who get better at solving them. Now, here's the crucial part that most people miss. These 5 steps aren't separate, they are interconnected. When you take ownership of your life, it becomes easier to set clear goals. When you fix your health, you have more energy to build relationships. When you develop skills, you can improve your finances. It's all work together. Don't try to implement all 5 steps at once. That's overwhelming and counterproductive. Pick 2 to 3 steps that resonate most with where you are right now and focus on those for the first 30 days. Then gradually layer in the other. Remember, transformation is not a destination, it's a journey. There will be setbacks, challenges, and day when you don't feel like doing the work. That's normal. The difference between people who change their lives and those who stay stuck is simple. They keep going anyway. Look, I have given you the blueprint, but information without action is worthless. The question isn't whether these steps work, they do. The question is, will you work them? Your life 1 year from now will be direct result of the action you take starting today. You can either be someone who watch video about changing their life, or you can be someone who actually changed their life. Here your homework. Pick one step from today's video and commit to it for the next 7 days. Just one. Write it down, tell someone about it, and start tomorrow. That's it. If this video helped you, hit that like button. It helps more people find this content. Subscribe for more life-changing strategy and drop a comment letting me know which step you're starting with first. I read every single comment and I am rooting for your success.